Hello, this is TV Coder here, and today we're going to teach you about iteration and selection syntax. What a selection means is you have several condition. If I had apple 5, I will print 5 apples. Else, I don't have 5 apples, something like that. An iteration is it has a loop processing, which is have a for each, while, do while, or something like that. So today I will teach you about this segment about iteration and selection. So let's get started. First, you need to turn on your Apache server and also MySQL. Why I must turn on MySQL, I will tell you on later on. But MySQL is database, so I will teach you database later on the future tutorial. Just turn on this to Apache server and MySQL server. So open the Atom text editor. It will take a long time. Okay, this is a previous tutorial. I will make a new file, which is iteration and selection .php. Don't forget the extension .php, because if you not do that, the program will not start it. So don't forget to open the text and close the text. So here's the thing. I have I want to print 5 items without any prints, 5 syntax of print or printr or echo, something like that. I want to have iteration. Iteration, I will see example like for. You need to first argument is setting the variables. So you need to set variable I want to set from 0. No, I want set from 1, and I want to 2 until 5 items, and I want to increment this. Okay, before I want talk deeper about this. There is a increment and decrement. Increment is if you have a variable like 1, it's adding the same variables plus 1. If you have like this, that means 1 plus 1. If you have like this, that means you need 1 plus 1 plus 1. So iteration on this segment is the operators need to add the number first, and then add the $e variables. So the operators I will talk about had plus, minus. Minus is decrement sign, plus in increment sign. I will show you how to do it. I want just to echo $E. Let's see how happens. Localhost 80 iteration and selection.php. There you go. It prints from 1, 2, 3, 4 until 5. That is iteration. Iteration on this page, I will on the increment sign, but I want to show you on a decrement sign. In decrement sign, if you still have a declaration like this, it will be means looping forever, and it will be reduce your memory on your PC. So you need to watch out if you want to have some iterations. So I want to set from 5 until 1. Let's see how it prints. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. How about I want to have like this, and I want set from 1 until 5. Let's see how it prints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the difference is you need to add the first and then add this. On the other hand, like this, that means this sign variables add the operators, something like that. So this is a for iteration. What about a while iteration? You need to set your first variables from 1. I want to set from 1 until 5, greater than 5, greater equal than 5. So sorry about that. I want to print this, echo $I, and don't forget to iterate, otherwise your program is looping forever. As I said earlier, it is print the same thing. That is a while segment. What about I want to print a for each. A for each is the loops are from array variables. So I want to set the array variables. I have a data name Claire, had the name Bobby, had the name Sally or something like that. I want to loop this, print all this together into 4 iterations. You need to use for each or for something like that. I will show you how to use for each. You have 2 things: array as you need to set whatever you want your variables is arrays. You need to print R arrays. So how about the print the programs Claire, Bobby, and Sally, something like that. And last last choice as need to set the key and the value variables. And the key is this is a first key is from a 0, 1, and 2. So I want to show you how it looks like. Echo $key. Need to set like string connectors, a value. I want to set the space here and add the value variables. So let's see how it goes. The result is it's from index of 0, as I said earlier. This is from 0, 1, and 2. That is array index key, and the value is inside the key indexes on its value. On the 4, I want to loop from 0 until the array contains numbers. So I want to show you count array and $i++. So I want to print this. I want to echo array. Don't forget, use your index. Index is 1. Index is $i from 0. Let's see how it prints. Where Bobby and Sally. Okay, that is for iteration. I will teach you not very deeper about iteration. You can find on Google PHP iteration. I teach you only for while and for each. And the second segment is selection syntaxes. There is like this: if and else, or switch case. But I will show you how to do it at first. I will not delete this. If array has the value, no, I will show you. Array in $i start from 0 or I until the array number contains has it. Count count array $a++. So this is where we should use our if, else, and switch segment. If the array started from index 0 until this contains 3 values of these array variables. I want to check if there is a value named Claire. Then I will want to print echo. Yes, it's Claire. Or else echo, no, it's not Claire. So you need to save this file and run. It checks the array has a value named Claire first, and then next indexes check is array Bobby is Claire. It's not Claire, and then print this no, it's not Claire. If you have more arguments, you need to add else if and add the same thing on condition. If array $i has the value Bobby, then I want to print yes, it's Bobby. Oh no. Yes, it's Claire. Yes, it's Bobby. No, it's not Claire. I will add and not Bobby. It will be more cool. Like that. And I want to show you about switch case syntaxes. First, switch array started from index 0 until this count case has a Claire. I want to echo yes, it is Claire. Don't forget use continue. If you use break, it will be end of the iteration case. Oh yeah, before I go mention, there is a continue and a break. A continue is if we step this and step a continue, it will be a next iteration runs. Example, I had from 0 and in steps to continue, it will turn a next $e number 1, number 2, number 3 or something like that. And case, if it's Bobby, echo yes, it is Bobby. Don't forget the semicolon, it's really important. Continue and set default. If Claire and Bobby is not found, default echo there is no Claire and Bobby. So continue. Let's see how it looks. There you go. It's the same thing, but it's more efficient if you use the switch case. Okay, when I set the if, you already look like this equals. So the question is, what is the difference this and this? So basically, this is for a strict operation, which has if I had the variables not contains Bobby, it will be turned on the next clause. So there is have not equal or not equal like this. It means strict, as I mentioned earlier, and it be a greater sign, greater equals, less equals, greater than, and less than, and also have OR operation and AND operation. This is for if conditions. If we set like this, or this, or this, or this, or this, it will be bitwise operation. Okay, this is for today's tutorial. Next tutorial I will show you to use make our customized function. I will tell you about next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like my contents, and put the thumbs up on my videos. Check it out on my Facebook page and my Twitter account. Make sure to follow and put a like if you like my contents. I will see you guys tomorrow. See you soon. Bye bye for now.